So everybody, here's a fantastic question for you. What are you going to do about it? And here's another really good question. How can I make it up to you? Because a lot of time when people complain and they're a victim and they're just complaining about life, or they're like just letting off their problems on you, which can be draining, especially on people who are more empathic and feel the energy of the person, the frequency, the vibration. They unload a whole lot of heavy energy on you and suddenly you're tired, but they just keep doing the same thing, then they tell the same story over and over again. So here's the question, what are you going to do about it? And we can say it like friendly, like in any way we want, that's sincere and without being critical, but obviously being like assertive too. Like, what are you going to do about it? Like, what's your plan and what are you going to do differently? What are you going to do about it to change? What are you going to do? And then here's the other question. After you make a mistake, which we all do in relationships or even just in life, you can say sorry, which is good. It shows you care. I approve of saying sorry. I agree. I think it's a good thing to do. Say sorry or I apologize. The second thing we can do is say, I'll do my best or promise never. And I don't really interested in promises because promises always like, you can't promise the future. You never know if you make the same mistake again necessarily, depending what it is, obviously. But instead of saying like, I'll do my best not to do this ever again. I'm going to learn from this and do my best not to do this again. And the third thing we can do is, or say, is like, how can I make it up to you? Or else just do things to make it up additionally to saying those previous two things. Day 2, Fruit Feast Challenge. Fruit only, no avocados, condiments, oils, fats, big fats, but there's obviously essential fatty acids in every single fruit. Just feeling phenomenal, bursting with creativity, and just feeling good and very good emotionally. So yeah, those two questions are phenomenal and help put up boundaries, help people to like change life, help us to change life. What are we going to do better? What am I going to do better to make it better, to make it different? And finally, how can I make it up to you? Obviously I'm saying sorry or I apologize and saying I will do my best. I'll try, be very careful and attentive not to do this, make this same mistake again. And yeah, it really helps to heal and bridge conflict in a relationship, saying that second one, as well as showing a concern to make it up to the person. So, and you teach by example, so when you start doing or saying this type of thing, it'll help give them the idea of saying it to you. And you can also, after a while of saying it first for quite a while, you can also then say like, hey, you can do the same thing, you know, like I'd love it if you said the same or expressed or tried the same as me. Yeah, and any literal exact words you want your partner to speak, you speak it to them first, or anybody else. That's how you teach by example. No point saying stuff you don't exemplify it. Have to exemplify it. Much more powerful than words. Actions do speak actions speak louder than words. See everyone, have a lovely day. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So make sure you subscribe, hit the bell button down below for more videos on body, mind, spirit, and raising your frequency and vibration and creating and having the best life possible, emotionally, mentally, physically, and just overall in life too. So yes, have a beautiful day. Lots of love. It's a gorgeous day here in Ireland.